My lord, I seek your lordship's permission to open the proceedings. Thank you, lordship. The proceedings are open. Now I request the honorable dignitaries to address the esteemed gathering according to their respective terms.
My Lord, Honorable Mr. Justice Manoj Kumar Gupta, Chief Justice of Uttarakhand High Court, Honorable Mr. Justice Manoj Kumar Tiwari, Senior Judge, their esteemed companion judges, gracing the occasion by their benign presence, President, High Court Bar Association, Senior Advocates, Deputy Solicitor General, my colleagues on the government side, members of the Bar, Registrar General, member of the registry, ladies and gentlemen. We have assembled here to welcome Honorable Mr. Justice Manoj Kumar Gupta, the Chief Justice of Uttarakhand High Court. His Lordship was born on 9th October 1964 in Prayagraj. His Lordship completed his high school and intermediate education from Boys High School, Prayagraj, graduated in law from Lucknow University in the year 1987, and entered as an advocate on December 6, 1987. His Lordship elevated as judge, additional judge of Allahabad High Court on 12th April 2013. His Lordship took oath as permanent judge of Allahabad High Court on 10th April 2015. His Lordship elevated as acting Chief Justice of Allahabad High Court on 26 November 2023. His Lordship assumed charge of the office of Chief Justice of High Court of Uttarakhand, Nainital on 10th January 2026. His Lordship belongs to a traditional lawyer's family. His father was a noted civil lawyer in the High Court of Allahabad, and in 1780s was the inspiration for the youngsters like me. We welcome your Lordship here in this abode of God, which is popularly known as Devbhumi, and hope and believe that under your Lordship's able guidance and patronship, entire legal fraternity and this institution will progress leaps and bounds. Sir, I, on my behalf and on behalf of the state, welcome you to this Devbhumi, where Ganga and Yamuna belongs, along with its tributaries, flows with all its might. Let us conclude the most important proposition from Vedas, Anu Bhadra Kritoyantu Vishwata. Let noble thought comes from all directions. Thank you.
Honorable Mr. Justice Manoj Kumar Gupta, the Honorable Chief Justice, Honorable Senior Judge Manoj Kumar Tiwari ji, Honorable Justice Ravind Mathani ji, Honorable Justice Alok Kumar Verma ji, Honorable Justice Rakesh Thapriyal ji, Honorable Justice Pankaj Purohit ji, Honorable Justice Ashish Nathani ji, Honorable Justice Alok Mehra ji, Honorable Justice Subhas Upadhyay ji, Honorable Justice Siddharth Saji, and family members of the Honorable Chief Justice, learned Advocate General, learned Senior Advocates, learned Deputy Solicitor General, learned Government Advocate, learned Chief Standing Counsel, and my esteemed colleagues at the bar. Good morning, everyone. Today is a very proud and happy moment for the Uttarakhand High Court Bar Association. On behalf of the entire bar, I extend a very warm and respectful welcome to Honorable Mr. Justice Manoj Kumar Gupta as the Chief Justice of Uttarakhand High Court. My Lord was born on 9th October 1964. After completing his legal education from Lucknow University, he was enrolled as an advocate on 6th December 1987. From the early days of his practice, my Lord mainly dealt with the civil matters, rent, and constitutional matters. and become known for his clear understanding of law and balanced approach. During this year at the bar, my lord earned a reputation for thorough preparation, fairness, and calm court conduct. These qualities later become the hallmark of his judiciary function as well. My lord was elevated as an additional judge of the Allahabad High Court on 12th April 2013, and later took oath as a permanent judge on 10th April 2015. During his long and respective service at the Allahabad High Court, my lord decided many important cases with fairness, patience, and clarity. His judgments reflect clarity for reasoning and deep respect for constitutional values, which earned him great regard from both the bench and the bar. On 10th January 2026, my lord took oath as the Chief Justice of the High Court of Uttarakhand, taking up this high responsibility with grace and dignity. Before assuming this office, my lord had also handled important administrative responsibilities, gaining valuable experience in court management and judicial administration. It is important to note that the Uttarakhand judiciary was originally part of the Allahabad High Court of Uttar Pradesh. Because of his shared background, there is already a natural familiarity and understanding. We are confident that this will help in maintaining very good relation between the bar and the bench. This shared judicial tradition strengthens institutional harmony and ensures smooth functioning of the court. My lord, the bar is very grateful that all requests made by us so far have been kindly accepted, including the decision that the vacation court will function on all working days and taking up all urgent matters by the vacation court. This has greatly helped advocates and litigants and shows your lordship's positive approach and concern for smooth court functioning. Such reasons reflect your lordship's sensitivity to practical difficulties faced by the bar and litigants alike. We are confident that under your leadership, the issues faced by the advocates will be addressed in a fair and timely manner in the future as well. We believe that your lordship's open and balanced approach will further extend across to justice and improve the working atmosphere of this Honorable High Court. The bar assure full cooperation and support in all efforts aimed at strengthening the justice delivery system. On behalf of the Uttarakhand High Court Bar Association, I extended my heartfelt congratulations to your lordships. We wish you good health, strength, and a successful tenure. We look forward to working together in a spirit of respect, trust, and cooperation. Once again, my lord, a very warm welcome to you. May justice always prevail. Thank you.
Honorable the Chief Justice, Mr. Manoj Kumar Gupta, my esteemed brothers on the bench and their family members, Mr. S.N. Babulkar, Learned Advocate General for the State of Uttarakhand, Mr. Amit Bhatt, Learned Government Advocate for the State, Mr. C.S. Rawat, Learned Chief Standing Counsel for the State, Mr. D.C.S. Rawat, President High Court Bar Association, Mr. Saurabh Adhikari, Secretary High Court Bar Association, Mr. Lalit Sharma, Deputy Solicitor General, Learned Office Bearers of the Bar Council of Uttarakhand, Senior Advocates, members of the Bar, Registrar General and members of the Registry of the High Court, Members Secretary, Uttarakhand State Legal Services Authority, staff of the High Court, members of the print and electronic media, ladies and gentlemen. It is with a profound sense of privilege and institutional honor that I extend a respectful welcome to Honorable Mr. Justice Manoj Kumar Gupta on his assumption of office as the Chief Justice of High Court of Uttarakhand at Nainital. My Lord, we welcome you to Uttarakhand, a state of immense natural, cultural and constitutional significance. Revered as Devbhoomi, Uttarakhand is distinguished by its unique Himalayan geography, ecological sensitivity, and dispersed population. These features present distinctive challenges to governance and to the administration of justice, requiring a judicial approach that is balanced, responsive, and firmly anchored in constitutional values. Your Lordship joins this court after a distinguished association with the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad, one of the oldest and most eminent constitutional courts in the country, which has played a seminal role in shaping Indian constitutional jurisprudence. Graduated in law from the University of Lucknow in the year 1987, Your Lordship was enrolled as an advocate on 6 December 1987 and practiced predominantly on the civil, rent control, and constitutional sides. Elevated as an additional judge of the High Court on 12th April 2013, Your Lordship took oath as a permanent judge on 10th April 2015 and has since rendered long and meritorious judicial service at Allahabad. During this tenure, Your Lordship's judicial work has been marked by clarity of reasoning, doctrinal discipline, and a consistent fidelity to the rule of law. In Pankaj Kumar Dubey versus Punjab National Bank, Your Lordship reaffirmed that education is an asset and cannot be treated as a disqualification in public employment. In AB through her guardian, Father versus State of UP, Your Lordship upheld reproductive autonomy and dignity as integral to the right to life of a minor rape survivor. In Kanyavati versus State of UP, it was emphatically held by Your Lordship that the state cannot appropriate private property for public purposes without due process and just compensation, while protecting the electoral values of our democracy. Your Lordship, most notably in Shyam Narayan Ram versus State of UP, engaged with foundational questions of electoral democracy concerning participation of elected representatives in no confidence proceedings, and through these judgments, Your Lordship has consistently balanced constitutional values, administrative discipline, and human dignity. Your Lordship also served with distinction as the Executive Chairman of Uttar Pradesh State Legal Services Authority, thereby making a meaningful contribution to the cause of access to justice and legal empowerment of the marginalized. Upon elevation as the Chief Justice of the High Court of Uttarakhand, Your Lordship took oath on 10 January 2026, bringing to this institution a wealth of judicial experience, administrative insight, and constitutional vision. This court looks forward to benefiting from Your Lordship's wisdom, leadership, and steady stewardship. In reflecting upon the true measure of judicial service, I am reminded of the profound words of Nelson Mandela, who observed, and I quote, "What counts in life is not the mere fact that we have lived. It is what difference we have made to the lives of others that will determine the significance of the life we lead." Unquote. In the judicial context, this thought assumes spatial relevance. The significance of a judge's life and office is reflected not merely in the years of service rendered, but in the impact of judgments delivered, the faith inspired in litigants, and the trust reposed by society in the institution of the judiciary. Your Lordship's career stands as a testament to this enduring contribution. While reflecting upon the solemn responsibilities of judicial office, it is apposite to recall a guiding principle of the Mahabharata, Shanti Parv. Na pakshpato, na cha durbalta, na lobh moho, na bhayam. Etan vihaya yah pashyet, sa dharmasya na hiyate. This shloka succinctly encapsulates the essence of judicial duty, the dispensation of justice without fear, favor, bias, or attachment of a principle that lies at the core of judicial independence and public confidence in the institution. In this context, the celebrated observation of Justice Joseph Story of the US Supreme Court is particularly apposite. I quote, "The law is a jealous mistress and requires long and constant courtship. It is not to be won by trifling favors, but by lavish homage." Unquote. This enduring insight underscores that the legal profession, and more so the judicial office, demands complete intellectual commitment, sustained diligence, and unwavering devotion. It is a calling that requires lifelong engagement with principle, precedent and conscience. Your Lordship's judicial career reflects this deep and abiding commitment to the law and to the highest standards of judicial service. The High Court of Uttarakhand, established on 9 November 2000, though young, has consistently endeavored to discharge its constitutional mandate with dedication and restraint. Despite being a small fraternity of judges, the court has addressed complex legal issues arising from the state's geography, environmental concerns, and socio-economic conditions. The Bar of Uttarakhand has also contributed meaningfully to the functioning of this court, even as certain genuine infrastructural and logistical challenges continue to merit attention. In my capacity as the Executive Chairman of Uttarakhand State Legal Services Authority, I am also state that through public interest litigations and allied initiatives, UK SLSA has endeavored to supplement this collective constitutional effort by facilitating access to justice. Your Lordship's assumption of office comes at a time when the judiciary is called upon to balance access to justice, institutional efficiency, constitutional governance, and public trust. The court is confident that under your Lordship's stewardship, these objectives will continue to be pursued with clarity of vision and institutional integrity. On behalf of my colleagues, and I assure your Lordship of full cooperation, support, and institutional commitment in the discharge of your constitutional responsibilities and in further strengthening this court. In conclusion, I once again extend a warm and respectful welcome to Honorable Mr. Justice Manoj Kumar Gupta as the Chief Justice of High Court of Uttarakhand and convey our best wishes for a successful, fulfilling, and institution strengthening tenure. Thank you.
My dear brothers on the bench, Justice Manoj Kumar Tiwari, Justice Ravindra Maithani, Justice Alok Kumar Verma, Justice Rakesh Thapliyal, Justice Pankaj Purohit, Justice Ashish Naithani, Justice Alok Mehra, Justice Subhash Upadhyay, and Justice Siddharth Shah, the family members of my esteemed colleagues, Mr. S.N. Babulkar, Learned Advocate General for the State of Uttarakhand, Mr. Amit Bhatt, Learned Government Advocate for the State, Shri C.S. Rawat, Learned Chief Standing Counsel for the State, Mr. D.C.S. Rawat, Learned President, High Court, Bar Association, Mr. Saurabh Adhikari, Learned Secretary, High Court Bar Association, Learned Office Bearers of the Bar Council of Uttarakhand, Learned Senior Advocates, Learned Members of the Bar, Learned Members of the Registry, the officers and staff of the High Court, members of the print and electronic media, ladies and gentlemen. It is an honor and a moment of profound humility to assume the office of the Chief Justice of the High Court of Uttarakhand. I do so with deep reverence for this constitutional institution. I express thanks to my learned brother, Justice Manoj Kumar Tiwari, the Learned Advocate General, and the Learned President of the High Court Bar Association for their kind and generous words. I have the privilege of being the 15th Chief Justice of this High Court, which has now completed 25 years of its existence. Though young in years, this court has already carved out a distinct and respected place in the judicial landscape of the country. Rooted firmly in the constitutional vision of access to justice, it has upheld the rule of law, protected fundamental rights, and shown sensitivity to the unique geographical, environmental, and social concerns of this Himalayan state. This High Court also carries a rich institutional lineage. Before the creation of the state of Uttarakhand, this region was part of the state of Uttar Pradesh, and the Allahabad High Court was its parent High Court. Many of the legal principles, procedural traditions, and statutory framework that continue to guide this court have their genesis there. Having myself hailed from this great institution, I see this not merely as a historical fact, but as a living continuum. The Uttarakhand High Court has over the years built upon that legacy and develops its own distinct identity responsive to the needs of the people it serves. I have always believed that the strength of an institution lies in collective functioning. The judiciary flourishes only when there is a mutual respect, open dialogue, and shared commitment among judges. I look forward to working in close cooperation with my brother judges, drawing upon their wisdom, experience, and guidance in the discharge of my judicial and administrative responsibilities. The bar is an equal stakeholder in the administration of justice. A vibrant, disciplined, and responsible bar is indispensable to a strong judiciary. I have always held the members of the bar in high regard and valued their existence in the pursuit of justice. While it is the duty of bar to fearlessly point out shortcomings and difficulties, I also expect the bar to play a constructive role by suggesting practical solutions for their resolution. A collaborative approach marked by candor and mutual regard will go a long way in improving the justice delivery system and enhancing public confidence in this institution. As Chief Justice, my endeavor shall be to ensure that there is a timely disposal of cases, effective use of technology, and a litigant-centric approach without compromising the quality of justice. Courts are, above all, institutions of service. Sensitivity toward litigants, particularly those from remote, hilly, and vulnerable sections of the society, must guide our functioning. The constitutional promise of justice, social, economic, and political, must meaningfully reach every citizen who approaches this court with faith and hope. I am confident that I will receive full support of the officers and staff of the registry. Their dedication, often behind the scenes and at odd hours, form the backbone of this institution. I look forward to working closely with them in further strengthening institutional efficiency and responsiveness. I have been informed that certain issues are being faced by the members of the bar as well as by the staff of the court. I assure you that these concerns will receive due attention. I seek the cooperation, guidance, and goodwill of all stakeholders as we collectively strive to strengthen this institution and uphold the majesty of law. With these words, I once again express my gratitude and look forward to serving this great institution and the people of Uttarakhand to the best of my ability. Thank you.
Now I seek the permission of Honorable the Chief Justice to place the proceedings on record and close the proceedings.
Yes, please. And
Thank you, Lordship. The proceedings are closed. Now the court will start at 11:30. May I request you all to join the tea at ground floor of this building.